I read a book a week for 2 years, and here's what happened. Yes guys, Luciën here, I'm about to share with you how it started, the best insights, tips, and how it is to read one book every single week for 2 years. So make sure you watch the whole video because this video is gonna be interesting. When we're young, everybody reads fantasy books, Harry Potter, all that kind of books. And then when we're going to school, in our teen years, we're forced to read books from school. And then, we just stop reading. So how did I start reading again? I started reading again through business. So I started my own business and then automatically I started with personal development and reading business books. And also famous people like Bill Gates, he's a really rich, wealthy man, everybody knows him. He reads 50 books every single year and many other successful entrepreneurs do the same thing. So maybe to start reading, it might be a good idea. Oh. As you guys know, we gave away one free consult call in every single video, and the winner of this video is Cavelli Brito. So Cavelli, thank you for your really nice comment on our last video, really appreciate it, and it would just be my honor to hop at you on a Zoom call. So just send me a DM on my Instagram, I could look over your store, help you scaling, testing, Google, Pinterest, Facebook, whatever you want, and we will just go from there. And if you want to be the winner of the next free consult call, all you have to do is subscribe, leave a like, and comment something really nice in the comment section down below, and the winner of this call will be announced somewhere in the next video. Books from school are not so interesting, to be honest, but books which are written by the most successful people on earth, they are. So in a book which is written by the most successful people on this planet, you get the best tips, you get the best lessons and insights, from the best of the best in the world. So these books are really interesting, and to be honest, you really learn a lot. Here are some of the best insights that I got, that I can give you. And the first one is, if you want to change the fruits, you will first have to change the woods. So most of us, they run to autopilot through life. And if you want your life to change, the first thing you need to do is just change your beliefs and thoughts. Second, money will only make you more of what you already are. If you're a really nice person who gives a lot to others, then of course when you earn more, when you got more money, then you will become even more nicer. If you're not so nice and you earn more, you got more money, then of course you will become a bigger jerk. So it's something to think about. Number 3, nothing has meaning except for the meaning you give it. Whatever happens in your life happens for you, not to you. So whatever happens in your life, you're the one who gives the meaning to it. So whatever happens, you have the choice to give it a positive meaning, and it really brings you further. Number 4. So you can choose to think in ways that will support you in your happiness and success instead of ways that don't. So your thoughts lead to feelings, and your feelings, they lead to action. So you have the choice to change how you think. Number 5. If you do what you've always done, you will get what you've always gotten. So if you keep doing the same thing, you will get the same result. So if you really want something in your life to change, just do some other things. I've said this in a couple of videos, so for the loyal subscribers out there, I appreciate you.
I appreciate that.
Number 6. Anything in life worth having is worth working for. So this is a quote from Andrew Carnegie, and he is one of the richest Americans in all history. So of course everybody seeks and is motivated by different things, but this is just a quote that I really like. So here are just 6 inspirational quotes that I really liked, and I have so much more for you guys, but then you would just need to make a documentary. So to keep it really short today, I think the best thing, of course everybody's motivated and seeks different things, and I think the best thing for you is just to go out reading those business books and just write down what you like of them. So one thing for sure, reading business books, it will for sure have a positive impact on your life. First tip is, when you read something in a book that you really like, that motivates you, or just some really nice information, write it down. So take a notebook, write it down, and then you will just remember it much better. Second tip is, just when you start reading business books, start with the classics. So the classics like Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad, they are just one of the best books in the entire world. So you for sure know these are really good books, and if you just start reading business books, and everybody seeks, of course, and likes different things, maybe you start with a random business book and you don't like it at all, you maybe won't be motivated to keep reading. So yeah, just a small tip, start with the classics. Third tip is just to pick a number of pages or time that you want to read every single day. So this is the secret to reading a lot of books really easy. So as an example, what we do personally, we read every single morning 25 pages and every single evening 25 pages. So that are 50 pages every single day. That are 350 pages every single week. So yeah, that's one book every single week. And we do this for such a long time that it just has become a habit. And you also have this quote, motivation is what keeps you started, but the habit is what keeps you going. So yeah, as an example, if you just read every single day 10 pages, 25 pages or 30 minutes, then it will just become a habit. So it will become a positive habit, and for sure it will bring you a lot of nice things. How is it to read a book every single week for 2 years? It's really nice and it brings you a lot of good things. So if you just read books which are written by the best and most successful people on the entire planet, you learn a lot of great things. Motivation, tips, and your mindset and your mental health for sure improves. And I really recommend everybody doing it, because we did dropshipping, and dropshipping had a lot of ups and downs. So yeah, it was just like stocks. Some months we earned a lot of money, and some months, to be honest, we just only lost money, because of course we had a whole team running, and yeah, we didn't have a good product selling. So yeah, reading business books also gives you great motivation, even when things just aren't going as they planned. That was the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also let us know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you want to see. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.